What a beautiful day today.
What is this?
Look, the house has lots of cracks.
Hi, guys.
The crusher and the loader have a new job. They need to tear down the old house.
What's next?
The crusher stretches out its arm and swings the big iron ball.
God. Wow, it's a nice slide.
Loader.
The loader cleans up the broken pieces.
Amazing. Bravo. Woo! I got it. What's next?
Now it's time to build a new house.
What are you doing?
Dump truck.
Cool.
Crane truck. Mixer truck.
The dump truck and the crane truck arrive at the site.
Cool.
The dump truck brings wall molds.
It's a disappear.
It needs help from the cement mixer.
Hey!
The cement mixer comes and pours cement.
Go. Wow!
One wall is done.
Good job.
Square.
The crane truck lifts the wall and puts it straight. The cement mixer pours again.
I got it.
Triangle.
It's amazing.
A triangle goes on top of the square wall.
Look at this. Very nice.
The cement mixer makes a red roof.
It's my time.
Rectangle.
Nice.
Let's put it on.
It's so nice.
Add the pillars,
I got it.
the roof edge,
It's amazing.
and the windows.
Yay!
Finally, build the fence.
It's my time.
The new house is finished.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.